So I am waterproofing this here barnwood I put in the bathroom. There's living room. But there's that pretty piece of grain that I made the video of the other day. And so anyways, I've kept some of the old components of the pallets, but this is the new bathroom walls, and this is what it used to be pretty much. So yeah, and that's part of one of the pallets too. That red board there, that was one of the pallet boards, and so I decided to keep it in there. I've questioned myself a time or two, but I don't know if I like it or not, but I used beat up metal on the bottom. I'm gonna trim it out, but that's it for now. But I'm definitely gonna trim it out to where it'll have trim along the bottom of it and it'll look a little tighter by the time I'm done. But I guess you can see on the wall here, I put just a little bit of iridescent sparkle in it, just to give the ladies, or you know, to give the women like a sense of, you know, instead of just being like old barnwood. I mean, this is iridescent too, so it's like clear shake, you know, like so you can see it with some light angles, and some you don't know it's there at all. You know what I mean? Like, you hit it at the right angle though, it'll light up. And so anyways, that right there is specifically, the main reason I did that was to you know, accommodate any woman that comes in here, make it feel a little less just straight like they're walking into a barn, you know. So putting this waterproofer on it, and I'll show you when I'm done. I made it to where you can get into that space for storage. It's not just wasted space, but also that's got to get trimmed out. This is not finished product, so don't think that I'm showcasing the finished product, because that's not the case. This is just where I'm at this point. And been kind of fun, but kind of a chore too, you know, to get it there. But the white trim right there at the bottom of the seat, I think it just helps tie stuff in, kinda, you know. And as far as the shower goes, I didn't want to run wood all the way into the shower. What I'm gonna do there is I'm gonna tile all that, even the ceiling, and put a fixture in the ceiling to drop down. But yeah, I didn't think I wanted to run this all the way in there. And it may not make sense right now to anybody that walks in here and uses the bathroom, but it will when I'm done. As far as the ceiling at the shower goes. Well, this is a very small bathroom too, so it's got to really consider, you know, space, and I'm trying to, everything I do, try to gain space in here. Like, say for instance, the cabinet behind that door, which is a very large cabinet, was in here, and it came all the way to the edge of this wall. And so it was like way out here, like it really closed the bathroom in. Now it's gonna feel it feels a lot less like you're just going through a little bitty crevice to get into the bathroom. So anyways, figured I'd give you an update. I made a little bit of progress, so I figured I'd let you check it out. Not done yet, but oh yeah, baby, it's cleaning up nicely. Going to redo the floor in there, but this is the cabinet that was in that bathroom. If you could only imagine, that was way too much space ate up in the bathroom. But this is the living room, just finished painting it. It's the kitchen, backlit, backsplash. Security camera, so don't try to come over here messing around. I love y'all. Everybody watching, love y'all.